First of all, I would like to thank the event organizers for giving me this opportunity. Today I was here to present something towards the artificial intelligence and the human intelligence variation. See, we know everything what exactly into the artificial as well as the human intelligence, but still, till now we are towards only the technical aspects, where I was into the management aspect too. I just want to come up with few of the things which are related with our day-to-day life, even which are related to our day-to-day life. So just I want to have a small presentation over here. See, human intelligence, you may get confused why this small babies and all. I would like to clearly tell, like if we go with the psychology of a child, okay, from the 2 months of a baby, starts his mind to work like anything. The storage of an artificial intelligence is, I can say, very less compared to the storage of a small human baby. I can give a best example. See, you can observe that a small baby, if we give a toy, they will hold it, and next, they will try to keep into their mouth because they feel the touch, the smell, and finally they want to keep it in their mouth. But what we think, it's a dust. But the feeling of an individual is to know the sense what exactly the object is. We can find that every small kid never tries to have the same object repeated, only when they like it more, because they already make it in their mind. That is the reason they don't want to again get back to it. But nowadays, we can say the cell phones are the maximum friendly devices to all the people, from the kids to the up to the age limit. I can say age limit. Everyone are enjoying the apps, everything. But here, we are losing our relations, the personal relations. Everyone are busy with their own mobiles. They are coming up with the individual aspects, kind of, they are busy with their own gadgets. They are unable to be with the people who are around them. So, that is the reason, like human intelligence, we can see, it's a highly powered and have a major number of bytes, we can say, in the technical aspects. Okay, the kids will have all the scenarios. I just want to go with artificial intelligence. See, and coming to this artificial intelligence, yes, we have many things that nowadays we are making our artificial intelligence to dominate us, dominate the human intelligence. Coming to this chess, everyone knows, I guess, like in the year 2012, they have done a very good job with the IBM as well as Google, where the artificial intelligence research departments are working a lot with the artificial intelligence. And now we have a very good famous game, which is Mario. I think everyone loved this game and everyone played this game. And Google is the one of the artificial intelligence company in the world. It's a giant company towards the artificial intelligence. The fourth picture which you can see, that is a quiz program which was held in US in the year 2012, where the IBM Watson, it's an artificial intelligence, where it won the quiz program. Means it shows that, like, the human intelligence is getting more dominated than the human intelligence. The artificial intelligence is going more. Yeah. Here, I would like to have a small question. Okay. If you can see this, if you ask a robot or an artificial intelligence, what are the objects that it can find? Anyone? Yeah, mostly it says like sofa, table, flower vase, everything. But while coming to the human, he observes everything the way it's, first of all, a wallpaper. We say it's a wallpaper. Means the tendency, what exactly we are getting into our brains is something different. What we are observing is something different, and what exactly the artificial intelligence says is something different. Here again, one more example towards the artificial intelligence. Anyone can see like how many digits will be there in a book, which is highly impossible for a human to calculate how many pages and the number of pages inside the book and the digits, 4 digits or something which are there inside the book. That is the reason we have an artificial intelligence which really makes the things happen. It can calculate because it calculates zeros and ones, the binary digit, as we know exactly. So this is the one where we can make, that is the reason I would like to tell you that both the artificial intelligence and the human intelligence are having their respective pros and cons. Both are having their pros and cons. See, here a language communication. If we give this language communication to a bot, what is bot? It's an artificial intelligence. If we give this question, like the pen is in the box and the box is in the pen, what exactly the artificial intelligence says? What? The pen is in the box and the box is in the pen? It will get confused. But when we ask someone, a human, immediately say, maybe the box is a maybe the pen is a playpen kind of box. Yes, we have so many models of boxes available for the school kids, whom they are enjoying a lot, right? So this is one of the best example for that. Yes, another language translation where the bots are really taking things. The sprint is strong, but the flesh is weak. This is, which was there in the Russian form, and when we convert it, the vodka is great, but the meat is acid. Means the way of thinking, of the communicating from one bot to the human mind will varies. So this is how generally there will be a small variation in thinking towards the language, and all is verified. Yes, this is one of the thing which really the Google has acquired, like DeepMind. DeepMind is a startup company where the Google has acquired it. And now they have started AlphaGo. If anyone knows, it's an AlphaGo. It's a company where they are mainly towards dealing with the artificial intelligence. They are mainly dealing towards the artificial intelligence. In this race of artificial intelligence startup companies, we have again Jibdale by Twitter and Little Eye Labs by Facebook. The main competitor for the Google at current scenario is the Facebook. But mostly we can say Google will be on the top. Of course, we may not say that Facebook may also come in front towards the artificial intelligence, where it is acquiring startups. Yes, we have another, the chat box and all. If you see everything, we have an excellent thing towards Toyota. Toyota came up with $100 million towards the research and development towards AI. Toyota came with $100 billion towards the startup of AI, artificial intelligence, where they want to come up with their person without driving in the seat, own transport driving system. This is how, with the help of the artificial intelligence, how exactly the robots decode, how exactly the bots decode when we are giving something automatic replies. This is how the flowchart goes on. It's another one of the wonderful example, the Domino's, mostly in the US, UK, they have already started with few places towards the bots delivering. The 4-wheel bots are delivering the pizzas to the respected places as it was given the GPS activation for them. It's really a wonderful thing where we can say without any support or kind of thing. Yes, everyone might have something in your brain like how it is safe and secure. Yes, they have given the GPS track something like that, which it moves only on the paths, only the walk tracks. They won't go towards the roads. Okay, that is the reason they are more doing research towards that, how to manage this even more in depth. Yes, now we have another example like DNA and computer memory. Yes, DNA is something which is biological of each individual, where, yes, coming to our brains, we have a lot of storage in your brain, yes or no? Like, we have only one CPU, that is our brain. But we're coming to the storage of the computer, we have to use external drives, where initially we have started with the floppy disk, CDs, DVDs, and now we are going with the terabytes of hard disk, external hard disk, everything. But now, the Google is coming up again with a DNA model of memory where they can store 20 millions of data, like towards more number of DVDs in a single thing. So this is how they are basically taking out some of the inputs from the biological aspects of the human brain to make it to the artificial. So this is how the DNA and the computer memory. Yes, coming to the digital camera sensor and human retina. Human retina, the eye, which is having a power and capacity to see almost all the things. Yes, cameras now which we have bought with the lens making pixels and millions of pixels. Previously, we don't have any kind of cameras and all, but still the people have visited a galaxy. Okay, they used to say, yes, we used to have stars and we used to have something there in the sky which literally which we can visualize. But yes, coming to this, then why we are unable to see that? It's very clear that the pollution is getting more, where it is getting polluted the air a lot, so we are unable to visualize in depth towards this. Yes, we have another kind of the neuros where it gives the aspect of the present where it really deals with DNA versus the artificial EPCS, where it's a cable where we generally use this. The sparks, which really makes us to get the data and make the data like to store, make the things pretty well. See, this is one of the video which was given by Evino. It's a company from US. They are trying to start GPS activation in the city to make it as an AI city, artificial intelligence city. We can have a video.